Hey friends, it's Gayle Gruenberg, and I'm talking as myself today and also as the CEO of Let's Get Organized. If you've been following me a little bit on Instagram, you know that I was having issues with my basement. Well, today we are 80% of the way done. I have to turn this around and you can see this now is the usable space in the basement. And I'm going to show you the storage area, which you may know had to get vacuumed and painted. They had painted the walls, they'd now painted the floor, and today I hired somebody to move the stuff back in. Can I tell you, it took maybe an hour and a half. He put all of this stuff back in, all the shelves, all the boxes, all the bags. Now, as an organizer, you'd probably think I want it to be absolutely perfect, right? No. At this point, I am just so grateful that it's here. And now I can go through all the boxes, organize them to my heart's content, open them, dispose of them, really pare down. And the point of all of this is I delegated. One of my mantras is do what you do best and delegate the rest. Now, I could have done this myself, absolutely. It would have taken me all freaking day, but I had better things to do. So you know what I did with that hour and a half? I cooked, I baked, I did 4 loads of laundry. I probably did other things as well. I am beyond productive today. And you know what? It's not even 11 a.m. This is on a Sunday morning. I have all of this stuff done. I've got the rest of the day open. I can do anything I want. So if you were to delegate your organizing projects, what would you be able to do with that free time? Let me know. Drop me a note in the chat. See you soon. Bye.